greetings and introductions.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
What's your phone number?
It's 5551234567.
Are you married?
No, I'm single. Daily routine conversations.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you go to work?
Yes, I go to work at 9 a.m.
When do you come home?
I come home at 6 p.m.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I like cooking.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every day.
Do you watch TV at night?
Sometimes, yes. Shopping conversations.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the supermarket.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love it.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Do you have this in another size?
Yes, here you go.
Can I try this on?
Of course.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy a jacket.
Is this on sale?
Yes, 20% off.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Where is the fitting room?
It's over there.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here it is. Food and drink.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Do you eat meat?
No, I'm vegetarian.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, water, please.
Do you want tea or coffee?
I'll have coffee.
Can I see the menu, please?
Yes, here it is.
Is it delicious?
Yes, very tasty.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, I want ice cream. Weather conversations.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
Is it raining?
Yes, take an umbrella.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, wear a jacket.
Do you like the snow?
Yes, I love it.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
What's the temperature?
It's 25 degrees.
Is it windy?
A little bit.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love the beach.
Do you watch the weather forecast?
Yes, every morning.
Is it cloudy?
No, it's clear. Now we will practice together. I will ask the questions and you will answer. Ready? Let's go. Greetings and introductions.
What's your name? How are you? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Nice to meet you. Do you speak English? Can you help me? What's your phone number? Are you married?
Daily routine conversations.
What time do you wake up? Do you eat breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you go to work? When do you come home? Do you cook dinner? What time do you go to bed? Do you take a shower in the morning? Do you drink coffee? Do you watch TV at night?
Shopping conversations.
Where do you shop? Do you like shopping? How much is this? Do you have this in another size? Can I try this on? What do you want to buy? Is this on sale? Do you accept credit cards? Where is the fitting room? Can I get a receipt?
Food and drink.
Are you hungry? What do you want to eat? Do you like spicy food? What's your favorite food? Do you eat meat? Would you like something to drink? Do you want tea or coffee? Can I see the menu, please? Is it delicious? Do you want dessert?
Weather conversations.
How's the weather today? Is it raining? Is it cold outside? Do you like the snow? Is it hot today? What's the temperature? Is it windy? Do you like summer? Do you watch the weather forecast? Is it cloudy?
Like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons every day.